Well, hi, I'm Jay Arthur, author of Lean Six Sigma Demystified in QI Macros. I find that a lot of people are afraid to use Excel pivot tables to summarize data. And every company has raw data about mistakes and errors and defects and whatever it is, but it's all individual events. And people are afraid to learn how to use pivot tables to summarize that. But I'm telling you what, that's where the invisible low-hanging fruit lives. Everybody talks about low-hanging fruit, but this is where the invisible low-hanging fruit lives. And almost every multi-million-dollar project I've ever worked on started with a pivot table. So you might want to learn something about pivot tables. That's my improvement insight for this week. Let's go out and improve something.